Need to sign out of Spotify on your Android device? This quick guide walks you through each step to safely log out of your account, whether you're switching devices, troubleshooting the app, or protecting your privacy. Open the Spotify app on your Android device and make sure you're signed in. Once the app loads, tap your profile picture or profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will open your account menu. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Here you'll find various options for managing your Spotify experience, including playback, notifications, storage, and account settings. Scroll down through the settings page until you reach the very bottom. At the bottom, you'll see the log out option. Tap it once and Spotify will display a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to sign out. Tap log out again to confirm your choice. After confirming, Spotify will immediately sign you out and return you to the login screen. If you want to use another Spotify account, simply enter the new account's email and password. If you're signing out for security reasons, remember not to save your login details on shared devices. Logging out won't delete your playlists, liked songs, or downloaded content from your account. They'll all be available the next time you sign in. However, you'll need to log back in to access your music library and personalized recommendations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more simple Spotify tutorials.